everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day at uni. I obviously am home it's all online uni at the moment, and yeah, there's not really like loads going on. We're not really going into uni or anything like that, so yeah, it's just going to be what I eat at home really. And it's now 10:30, so let's go into it and I'll go make myself some breakfast. So I have my bagels and a cup of tea like normal. This is what I eat literally every day, or toast with butter. I just managed to get black smoke to come out of the toaster, which wasn't ideal, but we fixed it now, so it's alright. To be honest, when I'm just like eating my breakfast, I normally just scroll through social media, go through any texts or anything. So yeah, normally I go through TikTok, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now I'm just gonna tidy up a bit because my room's a bit messy. Okay, so I've just cleaned my room, put all my washing away and everything like that, and now I'm just going to do my makeup and get ready for the day. And this is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. I've just been looking through this book for ideas for my dinner tonight. I've got some chicken in the fridge that I need to use up, but I think I'm just going to go with fajitas, to be quite honest. We're now going to Tesco's, which is the only exciting thing that happens now because of lockdown. So yeah, that's my outing. That's where I got makeup on. Just thought I'd make an occasion, and when I come back I'll make some lunch, probably just like a salad or something, because there's not really that much in my fridge right now. So yeah, that's the plan, and get a few bits from Tesco's and I'll show you when I come back. I have this awful feeling it's just going to rush out, isn't it? Oh my god. Oh no. There we go. Oh my god. I'm a little bit scared. I'm gonna have a salad for lunch with a cream egg and some Coke. So we went to Tesco. We then went for a walk first past Costa, got a hot drink, and then went to Tesco afterwards and just got some steps in, which was nice to get out in the sun for a little while. And then I've just been home like relaxing, doing some more uni work for a little while, and now I'm going to make some brownies. I also just went to pick up a parcel from the shop, but I don't always do that, you know, not too much anyway. Okay, so I literally picked up these. I have really been craving brownies for ages for some unknown reason, so I just can't stop eating chocolate at the moment, so I just thought what better to go all out and then I might not crave it anymore. Anyway, yeah, so I bought these from Tesco. It's just an easy packet mix, so I don't have to literally buy every ingredient on the planet. Student life, but it just literally requires like eggs, butter and oil or water, so yeah, gonna use these and can't wait to make them. There's quite a lot of mixture in here. I don't think I've ever made a packet mix brownie. And then add water, oil, or butter and eggs. I think that must be about 80 grams. Maybe it's not. Right, I'm just guessing here. I don't know if I put in enough or too much or... Honestly, I never follow a recipe exactly, and I always complain when it turns out wrong. Like, always. And I never follow it, so it's my own fault, really. There we are. maybe I do need a little bit of water as well. Right, let's have a little bit. Oh dear, I hope that wasn't too much. That wasn't even much at all. That is why I should follow the recipe. Especially a packet brownie, like chocolate's chocolate, you know.
Exactly.
Tastes pretty good. Like the mix. Mmm. Chicken looks pretty ready to me. That looks nice and tasty, so I'm going to take some of this on each and kind of make a line of chicken and peppers in the bottom third of the wrap. I've kind of got a lot of chicken. I might have enough for 3 wraps. Probably won't eat enough to eat 3 wraps though. This one's lacking in peppers. I didn't put enough pepper in today, but that's okay. I'm going to add some of the peri peri sauce. Just a little bit though, because I find medium so spicy, and then some sweet chilli to cool it down. I like quite a lot of this. Okay, so wrap the sides together, and then keep them folded in as I roll it up. And that is the first fajita done. That's quite a neat one to be fair, compared to normal. Normally I make an absolute mess of it. And then the second one, oh, I've just pulled them off. I can put them there. Fold it again, and then roll it and fold it as you roll in. And that is my dinner. I also made the brownies and they turned out really good, so I'll show you that after. But for now, let's take this with me. And yeah, can't wait to eat it. Let's leave it to cool for a little while, but it looks so good. Okay, so that was everything that I eat in a day. If you enjoyed seeing this video, then I've also got a living off the cheapest food in the supermarkets for 24 hours university edition video, which I'll link down below. And yeah, thanks for joining me. I didn't really eat anything after dinner. I just had the fajitas and then a cup of tea. But yeah, I hope this video is a decent amount of time. I'm not really sure what footage I got because I was filming like 3 videos today and they're all a bit jumbled in my head, but yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next week for another video. See you soon. Bye!